Today we're making this delicious roasted chili smoked mac and cheese. Start by roasting your chilies until they're nicely charred. This should take about 10 minutes. Next, remove them from the grill and finely dice them. For the mac and cheese, start by warming olive oil and butter in your pan, then add in shallots and garlic. Let this cook down for a few minutes, then add in all-purpose flour to make a roux. Next, add in whole milk, bay leaves, and Dijon mustard. Let this cook over low heat, stirring constantly until the bechamel is thickened. Remove this from the heat, then mix in all of your freshly grated cheeses. I'm using a combination of Havarti, white cheddar, Vermont cheddar, and Gruyere. Fold in those roasted chilies, then season the sauce to taste. Pour the sauce over your cooked pasta and give this a good mix. Transfer this to your baking dish and top with more shredded cheese. To give the mac and cheese a nice smoky flavor, add in soaked wood chips to your smoking box. Light them with a blowtorch, then cover with a lid. Add the tray of mac and cheese onto your Char-Broil Edge electric grill and let this cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once the mac and cheese is beautifully golden brown on top, let this cool for just a few minutes before digging in. This mac and cheese was absolutely delicious. It has a little bit of a crispy top, a slight kick from those chilies, and the perfect smoky flavor.